Hi everyone, this is Kingdom Architecture, and today I'm gonna show you how to work with the column tool and the very powerful and efficient tool, which is the magic wand. So we are using the same point cloud, obviously, and on the floor plan view we need to go to our section view, and in order to have clean point cloud in our floor plan, we need to make a floor plan cut plane. So let's measure it. So basically from 5 to 1 or 1.5 is gonna be enough to cut our point cloud. So the top height is 5 and bottom is 2. Nice. So now you can see in the floor plan view we have this nice round column shape. So the column tool is on the left side on the menu. We have the same adjustment settings like any other tools. So now we have rectangular shape, but obviously we can change to the round one. So now we have circle, and from the edge we can extend. You can see with this one stretch diameter, and now it's perfect. Always follow the point cloud. And we have this cross shape in the middle, and in the settings we can change it. So the floor plan section view, we can change color, the symbols as well, the home story settings. Now let's go to the symbol type and change to plain. I don't want to use this cross in the middle. So in the section view we have this column already created for us. You can see the arches I did in advance to have a faster process. So now we can go down with this column, but we have a header for this column, and obviously we have footings as well, and later we're gonna create this as well. So in the bottom we have the footing. So let's go up and make space for the other part. There is many options how to do it. We can make a copy and after make it smaller, basically. Yeah. So now we have another column. Let's make it small, and after just place it underneath the big column, the shaft of the column. And from the middle we can stretch it, and obviously the diameter we can change. I'm not gonna make a very accurate column, just to have a concept for this. So you can see now it's the footing, it's wider. Okay, so in the floor plan cut plane setting, now we can make another adjustment, another cut. Yeah, so in the 3D window here we have our footing, but we need the top part as well. The top part will be rectangular shape. So for this purpose is the best tool the slab tool for us. So let's see in the section view our cut plane is gonna be from 5.4 to 5, so basically 40 centimeters. Let's use the slab tool to make a rectangular shape, and after adjust according to our header, our top part of the column. So now we have, let's change the height, and after we make the fine-tuning, here we have our slab, you can see. Let's make the column smaller, change the height, and after place our slab on the top. Make sure you use the shift key in order to lock into the axis. Now it's done, and let's stretch it downward until we reach the column. Make sure don't snap to the point cloud. Very good. Obviously the material it's not as we want, because the other one is stone. We can change all of them to this marble kind of like texture or material, stone finish basically. It's almost the same. Let's change the header as well, the top part as well, not concrete. Let's use stone finish. So we have like this marble looking material. And for this purpose it's better to make a group, and it's easier to work with. Control G is the hotkey, the shortkey for making groups. And now we can select even from the floor plan view and make this multiply option and copies. Maybe let's do 3 copies, including the first one, and stretch it down until we have this distance. Pretty much good. Let's place here. Very good, very nice. So we have these columns placed in the proper position. Of course, if you want, you can even move one by one the columns, but I think it's faster to make this multiply option. So in the section view, now we have these columns. Of course we need another column on both sides, but yeah, let's make a copy of this column, because the columns near the wall basically half columns, so it's not a full column size. Very good. So even in the 3D window we can see. Yeah, so let's see how it looks like without the point cloud. Very nice. The arches I created from the beam tool, and after make a curved shape. So now let's go back to the section view, and basically between the columns and the ceiling we need this part to be created, and the best tool for this is the magic wand tool. So now we use the morph, click and select the morph, and after spacebar hold down spacebar and click. So now this one is created. This is a morph. Let's add the material to the morph, stone finish, the same as the columns. Go back to the 3D window, and we need to push pull, because we have just a fill, basically just a surface, not a solid one. So we need to push pull this until we have a nice thickness for this. I think it's good, and the other side as well. make sure it has symmetry. Let's make this push-pull. Very nice. And you can see now we have completed our top part of the arch above the columns. On the section view, yeah, so all the columns are in the right place. Let's go back with the point cloud to make it visible, and above we have these balustrades, so this railing. Balustrades are very nice because basically they are small columns, but we're gonna create in a different way. Yeah, we have this beam here. It's gonna be on the bottom of the columns, and on the top we're gonna use a smaller one, smaller beam. So we need to use the same method, make a cut plane for floor plan cut plane with the tool created, and because I want to know the diameter of these small balustrades in order to make it visible. So 1.4 to 1, and of course we need to move this beam because it's not going to be visible, the balustrade. So now you can see those small balustrades. It's totally visible. In order to make it happen, we need to use the section tool. Yeah, let's move it down. Now it's in the middle. So the first, yeah, let's go back to the first section. And now we are using not the design tool, the fill tool. Yeah, so let's find the middle, because we need to make a revolve shape. So this is the middle one. We're gonna create the profile, basically the profile of the balustrade. Pretty much we can follow on the point cloud. It's not gonna be very accurate, don't worry about this, just to make a concept. Okay, select and make a little bit of fine tuning, make a curve shape. Obviously this is too sharp, the edges are too sharp. Yeah, make a curve in the middle as well, and on the bottom. Very nice. Stretch it. Cool. Okay, so now we have the profile of the balustrade, and now the magic happens. We need to select the morph tool, and after the revolve option, and hold down spacebar, and boom, select the middle, select the angle 360 degrees, and we are right. And after delete the fill. So we have this small balustrade. We are using the same method. I'm not gonna copy 100 times basically, so we are using the multiply option in order to create the right amount of balustrades. Okay, so one more, and after I'm gonna copy all of this to the other part of the railing. So in the 3D window, of course, the material is not good. We have to change the materials. Let's select all of them, and we're gonna use the same stone finish, marble-like material. And after we need to place back the beam underneath. Yeah, so this beam is gonna be under the balustrades. Nice, follow the point cloud, and after stretch it up a little bit. Stretch the height until we reach the bottom. Very good. And of course we have to put the top part of as well. Copy this beam and after make it smaller. Good. Stretch that one down. I think it's fine. For this tutorial, just the concept is important. I'm not gonna be very accurate. So just to have an idea how to create these things, how to use the magic wand tool and how to use the column tool. Very good. So the best practice is to make groups as well. Select all of them, the balustrades, and after hit Ctrl G in order to have groups. Nice. Ctrl G. Now we have groups. And let's multiply. Nice. So we have these balustrades created. So thank you very much. It was my last tutorial. If you enjoyed my content, please don't hesitate to drop me a comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.